Buying a house is a big dream for many people, but it takes planning and saving. One of the biggest challenges is saving enough money for the down payment. This video will help you learn how to do that step by step using simple and easy to follow tips. First, understand what a down payment is. A down payment is the money you pay up front when buying a home. The rest of the money is usually borrowed from a bank or lender. This amount is usually a small part of the full price, but it can still be a lot of money. For example, if the house costs $100,000, you may need to pay $10,000 or $20,000 as a down payment depending on the bank rules. The first step is to set a goal. You need to know how much money you need for the house you want. Check home prices in the area where you want to live, then find out how much the bank will expect you to pay as a down payment. This will give you a clear number to aim for. Now that you have a goal, the next step is to create a budget. A budget helps you track how much money you make and how much you spend each month. Write down all your income and all your expenses. Look at what you are spending on food, clothes, travel, and other things. This will help you see where your money goes. Once you have a budget, find areas where you can cut costs. Maybe you can eat at home more often or cancel a subscription you do not use. Every dollar you save can go toward your down payment. Even small savings each month can add up over time. Open a separate savings account just for your down payment. This will help you keep the money safe and not spend it by mistake. Some banks even offer savings accounts that pay interest, so your money grows slowly while you save. Set up automatic transfers from your main account to your down payment account. This way you do not forget to save and you treat saving like a regular bill that you always pay on time. Even if it is a small amount, it will build a strong habit over time. Consider getting a side job or doing freelance work to earn extra money. You can use this money only for your down payment goals. Even a few hours a week can make a big difference in how fast you save. Look for other ways to boost your income. Maybe you can sell items you do not use anymore or rent out something you own like a bike or a parking spot. Every bit of extra cash helps you reach your goal faster. Reduce your debt. If you have credit card bills or loans, paying them off will make it easier to save for your house because you will have fewer payments each month and less interest to worry about. Try to avoid taking on new debt while saving. Avoid big purchases while you are saving for a house. Try not to buy expensive things like new phones or holidays unless they are really necessary. The more you hold back, the quicker you can reach your goal. Track your progress every month. Check how much you have saved. This will keep you motivated and help you stay on track. You can use a notebook or a savings app. Just make sure you know how close you are to your goal. Tell your family or friends about your goal. They can support you and help you stay focused. Sometimes just talking about it helps you take it more seriously and stick to your plan. Make saving fun. Give yourself small rewards when you reach many goals. For example, when you save your first $1,000, take a break or enjoy a simple treat. This keeps you positive and excited about your goal. Learn about government programs. Some places offer help for first-time home buyers. You might qualify for a grant or a lower down payment. Find out what is available in your area. This can make a big difference in how much you need to save. Stay patient and consistent. Saving for a down payment takes time, but it is worth it. Every step you take brings you closer to owning your home. Do not give up even if progress feels slow. Keep going. Check your credit score. A better score can help you get a better loan when you buy a home. If your score is low, start improving it by paying bills on time and not using too much of your credit limit. Start small. If you feel overwhelmed, begin with saving just a little each week. The key is to start. Once you begin saving, you can slowly increase the amount as you get better at managing money. Talk to people who have already bought a home. Ask them how they saved and what they would do differently. You can learn a lot from their experience and avoid common mistakes. Use visual reminders. Maybe put a picture of your dream home on your wall or set it as your phone wallpaper. This will keep you focused and remind you why you are working so hard to save. Be flexible. Sometimes life changes. Maybe you lose your job or have an emergency. Do not be hard on yourself. Just pause the plan and restart when you are able. The important thing is to keep your goal in sight. Look into high-yield savings accounts or short-term investments that are safe and give better returns than a normal savings account. Just be careful and avoid risky schemes. Join online groups or communities of people who are saving for a house. You can share tips, ask questions, and feel like you are not alone in the journey. Remember your why. Think about why you want a house. Maybe you want to stop paying rent or have a stable home for your family. Whatever your reason, use it to push through the hard days. Saving for a house can feel like a long road, but with a plan and small steps every day you can get there. Just believe in yourself and stick with the process. You can also try using cash for your daily expenses. This helps you see how much you spend and makes it easier to stick to your budget. Many people find this method helps them save.